Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know that we have finished our syllabus, and today we are going to restart from very first unit, that is meaning and concept of education. So let's come to the concept of education. Education is as old as human race. It's a never ending process of inner growth and development. यानी कि एजुकेशन तब से इस दुनिया में है जब से ह्यूमन रेस है, और ये कंटिन्यूसली इनर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट कर रही है. एंड इट्स पीरियड स्ट्रेच फ्रॉम क्रेडल टू ग्रेव. ये हर एक की जिंदगी में, एक इंसान की जिंदगी में आता है जब वो इस दुनिया में आता है, और उसकी एजुकेशन जो है ख़त्म तब होती है जब वो इस दुनिया से निकल जाता है. एजुकेशन इन रियल सेंस इज टू ह्यूमनाइज ह्यूमैनिटी एंड मेक लाइफ progressive, cultured, and civilized. So we can say that it is education that takes a man from darkness to light. Man, as a man, is a social animal, as Aristotle said that. So when he come to this world, he does not know anything. He is just like an animal, and it is a man who provides education to that social being, to make him social, to make him individual, to make him cultured, civilized. So education is a tripolar process based on teacher, student, and social environment. We can say teacher or school, student, and social environment. These three are equally important pillars of education. Dear students, it is through the education that the knowledge, culture can be transmitted from one generation to another generation. So this is the concept of education. Now we will discuss the etymological meaning of education. Etymologically, the term education has a number of derivations. Number first, according to one view, the word education has been derived from a Latin word educare, which means to bring up or to nourish. It means that the child is to be brought up keeping in mind the aims and objectives of education. Number two, according to another view, the word education has been derived from a Latin word adjucere, which means to lead out or to draw out. To lead out or to draw out. In other words, we can say that the term education is derived, that the term education is to lead out or to draw out the best in the child and man. यानी कि all those hidden abilities of the child can be lead out or draw out from his inner side to make him full-fledged personality. This is the function of education. And number third is that the word education has been derived from a Latin word which means educatum. Educatum, which means the act of teaching and training. Now here, the word education is related to the teaching and training for teacher and instructor. Now, education thus means both the acquisition of knowledge and experience, as well as the development of skills, habits, and attitude, which helps a person to lead a fulfilled and worthwhile life in this world. It is, in fact, a process of training the individual through the various experiences of life so as to draw out the best in him. Now, there are some concepts, Indian concepts of education. One is Rig Veda. Education is something which makes man self-reliant and selfless. Number two, Upanishad. Education is that whose end product is salvation. यानी कि एजुकेशन एक ऐसा जरिया है, एजुकेशन एक ऐसा रास्ता है जो इंसान को नजात दिलाता है, सिर्फ इसी दुनिया में नहीं बल्कि आखिरत में भी ये नजात का जरिया बनता है. नंबर थ्री इज कौशल्या. एजुकेशन इज समथिंग ट्रेनिंग फॉर कंट्री एंड लव फॉर नेशन. एजुकेशन एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमें अपनी कंट्री के लिए ट्रेन करता है और हमें अपने नेशन के तई मोहब्बत जगाता है. नाउ दिस वाज द कंसेप्ट एंड मीनिंग ऑफ एजुकेशन. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss some important definitions given by Indian educationists. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.